Clear.bio, personalized metabolic care for type 2 diabetes. It starts with the patient, not a waiting room. About 10 minutes, 4 sections. About you, medical information, motivation, and eating habits. Guided forms with drop-downs and multi-select. Validated as you go and stored securely. Everything that follows is built on this. Then logging a meal is just a photo. Our AI recognizes the ingredients and logs them in seconds. No searching, no database, no guesswork. 2 hours later, the food score arrives. 0 to 100. Not a calorie count, a measured picture of how your own body answered that meal. Tap the meal, and you get everything behind that score. Your glucose curve, the ingredients, and the full nutritional picture. Calories, carbs, protein, fat, and fiber. 2 things turn that into action. Smart AI meal suggestions built around food you already eat. And Smart Swap, a healthier substitution or a portion adjustment for the meal in front of you. Where medication makes portion advice sensitive, we flag it. Then we close the loop with nudges. Your glucose went up after lunch, so go for a walk. Small, timely, specific. That is where behavior actually changes. Sleep, activity, stress, and energy are logged too, because glucose never answers to the plate alone. All of it lands in the Clear.bio portal, the same view the care team works from. Patients get AI answers instantly, and a dietitian is one message away in the very same chat. Every week, the app sums it up. Time and range, your best and hardest meals, and what to try next. Meals people will actually cook, saved into playlists and shared with the family, because nobody manages this alone. Here is one example. Same patient, same week. Reduce portion, swap the sides, and for him, time and range went from 80% to 92%. Average glucose from 7.6 down to 5.3, and the peaks flattened out. And it is built on certified ground. ISO 27001, MEN 7510, ISO 13485, and a CE-marked medical device. This is not another wellness app, and not just another AI layer. Clinically proven outcomes, a reimbursed care pathway, proprietary real-world data, and behavior change infrastructure. And the results hold up. HbA1c down 11.6%, 69% with improved glucose control, 25% in full remission. Clear.bio, from data to decisive action.